Yeah, what's up, everyone? Yeah, good evening, everyone. Wherever you're watching me from, it's omojesuYK. All right, so drop your comment wherever you're watching me from. So I hope I'm audible enough. Can everybody hear me, please? So if you can hear me, please type in the comment section. Yeah, comments. We have a lot to do today because I have 3 pairs that we're going to be working on, but our main target is US30. Our main target is US30. So without wasting much time, taking us straight, I'll be sharing my screen right away. Please, am I audible enough, guys? Please, am I audible enough? Can you type in the comment section? Let me see if I'm audible enough. All right, thank you. Thank you. I believe everybody can see my screen. All right, so presently, this is a US30 chart on my screen. Yeah, this is US30 chart on my screen. This morning, I called this trade, GBPJPY, this particular setup, and then the trade hit our take profits. This is it. So I believe everybody took this trade. In case you are new here, this is omojesuYK. Please click on the like button and share so that it can reach as many people as possible. Yeah, if you're not my Telegram channel, definitely you're gonna miss this trade I called this morning. I called this trade very early this morning, and then we're able to book a good number of people from this trade. You know, our TP1 was there. Then the market hit this particular trend line, touch on this trend line, and drop down. You know, so we're able to hit our TP1 from it. Yeah, all right. Thank you. So I'm audible enough. All right, thank you, everyone. Okay, yeah, so we're able to hit our TP1 on this particular setup. I gave it for free on my Telegram this morning. If you're not on the Telegram channel, just click on the link in the description to join. And this was our trade for yesterday. This was the sell we took yesterday, which I said we should take our profit from here. Let me just try to show it on the Telegram. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the trade we took today. This was when I call out the trade. Yeah, this was when I call out the trade, and this was when I entered. I said I'm there. So, and I want to believe that everybody took this trade. So in case you miss out on this trade, click on the link in the description to join the free Telegram channel, you know. So our main target is US30, which is our major pair. So I'm going to be analyzing I'm going to be breaking the 3 pairs down. So I'm going to be starting with US30. Okay, so this US30 actually gave us some profit yesterday, which we were able to book this yesterday. So let me just go to a chart where we're going to do a top down for US30. Guys, get ready. We're going to be booking some pips today. All right, so this was where we did our setup, our outlook. We already hit our take profit TP1, so that was then. And for the benefit of this, let's go to the weekly. I'm going to be clearing everything I have on this chart so that we can quickly run through the top down for US30. Guys, mind you, for those that love to swing, US30 is not a good pair for you to swing, you know. Because why did I say that is US30 can give you 300 pips buy right now, and in the next minute, US30 can take it back, 300 pips sell. So it's not advisable to swing US30 for those that love swinging, you know. But if you want to swing, you can swing gold, you can swing GBP, JPY, and other currency pair. But US30, except the market is trending, that is when I can advise you guys to swing on US30. But on a normal day, just as we have it now, it's not advisable for you to swing US30. Just imagine if you take this sell now. For example, you take this sell, look at it. This is 1,675 pips. And maybe you are swinging and you want to take it here. Look at what the market did. The market went back up from here and went back up straight. So it is not advisable to swing US30 for those that love swinging, for those that love swing trading, you know. So you might consider other pairs. So right now, let's just break it down. This is our weekly. As you can see, the market is bullish. The market is bullish, just that the market has been ranging throughout this week. So I'm going to run it through. I'm going to run it through the top down for US30. This is a key level. It's a very, very strong key level there. If you have any question, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. I will read it. I'll get back to you guys. So because we have a lot to cover, I have 3 pair to cover today. So if there's anyone that's got any question, feel free to ask me, and I will surely attend to your question. All right, so without wasting much of our time, I'll continue the top down. All right, so on a weekly, we have a bullish. The market is bullish on the weekly. Yeah, so we drop it down to the daily. We're going to be making it very fast now. This is a very strong zone. Just like I told you all in the top down I did, this is a very strong zone. This is a very strong zone. A very strong zone. This is a very strong zone. That's a very strong area, and the market is trying to break it. If you look at it for the past how many days now? For the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the past 5 days, the market is trying to break it. We are bullish on US30. The market is finding it very difficult to break this zone. You know, we got 2 fake out already, which was this and this. They are both faked out, you know. But the market is trying everything possible to break out from this zone. Tonight, we have FOMC news. So it is possible that the market is going to break out tonight because we have FOMC news. So we might have a breakout tonight. So in case we have a breakout tonight, so this is what you should be looking out for. Our next destination for TP, if we break out from there, will be around this area. It's going to be around here. That's going to be the next take profit target if the market should break out from this zone. So that's it. So now I'll take it down to 4 hours right now. I'll take it out to 4 hours right now. On the 4 hours, this is what I have. It's still a bullish. The market is trying to break that zone, still on the zone. So I've got this trend line. I've got this trend line. I've got this this zone here. I've got this zone here. I've got this trend line. I've got this zone. Okay. Let's see for Fibonacci again. I've got this. The market actually retraced from 38. From 38 here. That's where the market has been hanging. The market has been hanging here around that 38 fib level. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. So after seeing this, I can boldly say that the market is suitable, very, very suitable. So let me take it down to 1 hour. This is US30. This is US30. We are still coming back to gold and GJ. So on 1 hour, I can see some zones here. So the market is hanging in between this area. Okay, perfect. So now that I've seen this, let me take it down to 5 minutes. You know, we take our entry on 5 minutes on US30 because we are not swinging it. We cannot swing it. You know, now that we have the idea of what's going to happen on the market from the higher time frame, so what we are going to be waiting for right now is we're going to be waiting for CNBC to drop. We're going to be waiting for the CNBC to drop. There's nothing to be done. We are not going to do anything on this pair right now. Nothing, because the market is just hanging between this key level. This is a very strong zone. It's a very, very strong zone where we cannot jump. So I'm still seeing, based on what I'm seeing here, based on this strong zone, I'm seeing the sellers. The sellers might have opportunity to still drop it down from here, but we're not going to do anything except the CNBC is out. The CNBC will be out in the next 25 minutes. Let's just put some psychological level around here. If you've got questions, please feel free to ask, please. 45. Okay, so we have a psychological level there. We have a psychological level there. We have another psychological level here, 900. All right, perfect. Now that we've gotten these two psychological levels, this is one, this is one. 45, 600. 45, 100. Perfect. So on US30, we are not going to do anything. Like, we are not going to do anything. But if the market should, if the news should come out, I'm expecting it to push up here, and we're going to drop it down. We're going to still drop it down to this level. The market will push up, we're going to drop it down. But we're not going to do anything right now based on this thing I'm saying. The sellers will still have advantage over this pair. The sellers are still going to drop it. But because of the FOMC that we have tonight, the momentum might not really be that much, but let's see. There's no way we're not going to book 100 to 200 pips on US30. That's it. There's no way we're not going to book 100 to 200 pips on US30. So we're going to be waiting for this. So without wasting much time, let me go to other pairs. Let me go to gold, and then let me go over to gold and GJ. If we can see a trading opportunity on those pairs. For gold, this is gold. Let me go to 1 hour of gold. Wow, gold has moved. Gold has moved. Gold has moved. Okay, let's start from 4 hours on gold. We can see what is going on. Let me clear what I have on my chart here. Just the strategy I teach you guys, the SMC strategy I teach you guys, that's what is working on gold. You know, I've backtested it very well for both gold and GJ, and that's what I use for GJ. And then we're able to book some nice profit today and yesterday. So here, this is the high on gold for 4 hours, and this is the low. This is gold. This is the high, and that's the low. 4 hours on daily. On daily, still the same. So right now, let me just take it back to 4 hours, and let's see. Yeah, so on 4 hours, let's quickly go over the chart and read it. Now, looking at this particular chart, this is an imbalanced candle. This is an imbalanced candle, a very strong one. This is an imbalanced candle. This is another liquidity area to be considered. So we have from this particular level, we have a change of character here. We have change of character here. I just want to quickly go over it, over the chart, while we are waiting for CNBC. We have change of character around here on 4 hours. Then the market went up. BOS, this is the I. This is the I here, and the market dropped. So we were waiting for it to drop down here so that we can take it up again. Okay, so we have another BOS here, break of structure. Okay, so the market came down here. All right, perfect. Now, let's switch to 1 hour. Let's switch to 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. On 1 hour, what I'm seeing here is I can see this level. This is the high. On 1 hour, this is the high. If you've got any question, please feel free to ask. Mr. Sidolf, we are seeing a bearish on 5 minutes. Bullish trend line. Which pair are you referring to, Mr. Sidolf? Are you referring to US30 or which pair are you referring to, please? Which pair are you referring to? Which pair are you referring to, US30 or which pair are you referring to? I'll come back to US30 if you're referring to US30. If you're referring to US30, I'll come back to that. This is GJ. All right, so I'm back to gold. This is a 1 hour on gold. This is a 1 hour on gold. I'm not seeing much on gold here. Let's just read the chart. We have another change of character around this area. Change of character, the market dropped down here. Sweep this area. Sweep this area up. And then break of structure, drop down. Okay, let's drop it down to 15 minutes. Let's drop it down to 15 minutes. Yeah, sorry guys, a call came in. Okay, all right, Mr. Sidolf, I got you. So I'll come back to US30. I'll come back to US30. Let's quickly run through this gold. So this is the high on 15 minutes. Yeah. Now on 15 minutes, let's break it down. Let's break it down 15 minutes. This is an imbalanced candle here. The whole of this candle is an imbalanced candle. The whole of this area. The whole of this area is an imbalanced candle. Or we can call it ABJ, fair value gap. So imbalance. So I hope you guys are following. I hope you guys are following. My main pair is US30. You guys already know. So we're just trying to, for the benefit of those that want to be trading gold, this is BOS, group of structure. There's another break of structure here. And the market tap here, in here. Okay, perfect. So the market tap in here, we missed this trade. This market, we're supposed to take this entry, but notwithstanding, there will still be another opportunity. The market should give us a change of character. If the market can give us a change of character here on this, so we'll just be waiting for it to drop down. If the market should come back here. So if we can have something like this, if we can have something like this now, a push to the upside, the market should drop down here. Market should drop down here. We're going to be taking an entry on gold up. So I don't work with pending order. The reason why I don't work with pending order is because pending order, I don't really value it. I don't really value pending order because you can place a pending order and the market can decide to just come down and eat your pending order and get out and continue. Although the best area for this pair that me I will have loved, if I really want to take this would have been the best area for me. This will have been the best area, the best point of interest. There is nothing much to be done on gold. This will have been the best point of interest for me, this area, because based on 4 hours, the whole of this area, this is an imbalance. The whole of this area is a change of character. So all this noise that happened, BOS, all this new one, they're just on the lower time frame. So, but this is a very good trade for those that actually joined this. For those that joined this is a very good trade because this area can also be change of character. This particular one can also be change of character. This particular area, you pay attention to every details on the chart. This area can be change of character and the market dropped down, came back here and is going up. So right now, if the market can push up here a bit, yeah, and drop down to this point again, so we're going to be taking an entry on gold. But this is the best area to enter the gold. This is the best area where I mark as a dot. That's the best area to enter gold. So for now, nothing to be done on gold. I don't use pending order, just like I said. I don't use pending order, and I'm not going to advise pending order. The only thing you can do is, as we have it now and we know what we are expecting, I can just set an alert. You can set an alert here. So place your alert so that by the time the market come back here, then your alert is going to ring. Just like what I said on GJ this morning. Just like what I said on this particular trade this morning. On this particular one that we took this morning. on this GJ that we took this morning. I said what I put in my this thing, I said wait for bullish momentum before you enter the market, and the market was just dancing around here. And when we saw this bullish momentum, that was when I said I've entered the trade, and we took it and we're able to hit our take profit. Do you guys understand? So it's better to use an alert. So by the time you use an alert, you will know that yes, when the market comes there, you just come there and wait for your entry. That's it. So let's see what US30 is still doing. All right, so the market is still ranging as usual. So in the next 9 minutes, CNBC News is going to be out. We're going to be taking our trade on US30. We're going to be taking our entry on US30 pretty soon. So let's go over to, so we have gold set up, nothing to be done, nothing. The market is gone already. The market is gone. But if the market can just come back and tap us in here, so we're going to be taking it up. We're going to take it up. So let's quickly run over GJ. If there's anything we can do again. We've already booked one trade on GJ today, and yesterday we took one. So for me, I think we are good. For me, I think we are good. But let's just see, maybe there's something we can do. Let me remove this. I'm not going to clean this chart because it's still a valid chart. So let's go to 4 hours quickly. The market is bearish. The market is bearish. The market is bearish. The market is bearish. Okay, let's check 1 hour. Let's check 1 hour and read the chart. This is another area to consider. This is another area to consider. So we have this break of structure, and this is the high. We have a change of character here, went back up. We have break of structure. Okay. Break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. Hit the high, came back, change of character, went back up, then drop down. You have change of character here, went up. Back. So right now, based on what we have here, so I'll be waiting for the market to give us, let's go to 15 minutes on GJ, GBPJPY. This thing was supposed to come here and continue the break of structure and continue it up. But the seller said, no, we are in charge. So right now, we have a change of character. We have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure here. US here. So now the market is presently here at this point. So market is presently here. So we have nothing to do on this chart. Nothing. But if we can have something like this on GJ, because this area is a very important area. If we can have something like this, and come back here, then we can take it up. We can take it up again. So this is gonna be like a change of character again. This one, this area, this is gonna be like a change of character again. I'm gonna carry you guys along on the Telegram anyway. So if you're not on that free Telegram challenge, just click on the link and join. So if we can have a bullish that push the market up right now, if we can have a bullish momentum that push it up and give us a change of character here, then we just wait for it to come back and tap us, and then we'll take it up from here and we take it up. But if that one does not happen if the market continue to give us a break of structure, because if this should break down like this, it's going to be another break of structure below. So if we can have another break of structure, this is going to be our next point of action, and we're going to wait for change of character. So waiting for change of character, then we're going to be waiting for that. And if the market now give you, you don't just jump into the market, just like I used to tell you guys, you keep it very simple. It's very, very easy. You know, there's nothing to, there's no much to be done. You don't need to stress yourself or something. You keep it very, very simple. Once you keep it simple, the market is gone. It's not running away. You know, wait for the market to just come to you. So far, so good. We were able to book some profit on GJ yesterday and today. US30 were able to book profit as well. We're able to book profit as well, which today we're going to book profit on US30 again today. So in the next 4 minutes, CNBC news is going to be out. So you guys should get ready. You guys should get ready. We're going to be booking some profit on US30. Let me just place an alert here again for this pair. GJ. Yeah, I just placed an alert for GJ. I placed one there, and I'm going to be placing another one here. Yeah. So I have two alerts on GJ. I have to have, because I don't like sitting on the chart. Once I just place it like that, if my alert should ring, then that will tell me that I should come and check my chart and see what is going to happen. You know, so if you can have a push to the upside here, because this is a very important area. This is a very important area. So if we can have a bullish momentum that push the market up like this, a single candle or anyhow, we can push it up. This is going to give us like a change of character. You just wait for a little pullback, and this is going to be our entry. This point is going to be our entry. I don't use pending order, just like I said. I don't use pending order. But let me just type out something for you guys. 700 entry 198.700. Yeah, that's for GJ, and your stop loss is gonna be under, which is 198.580. SL 198.580. 580.580. I'm going to carry you guys along on the group, on the Telegram group, just the way I did it this morning. So for now, I'm giving you guys free signal on the Telegram for free. You know, I'm giving you guys for free on the Telegram for now. But those two pair minus US30, because I can't be giving you guys US30 for free every time, maybe just once in a blue moon. But gold and GJ, for now, I'll be giving it for free. You know, this strategy I teach you guys is very easy. If you can master it yourself, it's very, very easy. Just dedicate 2 hours of your time every day, and the take profit is going to be 199.267. 199.267 TP 199 point what? Let's say 260. Let's say 260, sure. Not 267, 260. Let's put it like that. But you guys should remember what I said, please. This is very important. If you have a bullish momentum that shifts the market to the upside. Yeah, CNBC is about to be released now. Let me switch to my 1 hour on my other system where I monitor it. I'm expecting the bullish to push it to the upside. Right now, US30 should be pushed to the upside because on 1 hour is very, very bullish. So I'm expecting the market to, let's go to US30. Let's go over to US30. Yeah, exactly. So the bullish should push it to the upside. They should push it to the upside, and I'm expecting a nice rejection from that area. This is a very strong area. We're going to be selling US30, but I'm expecting it to push to the upside, maybe to come here. If there is no reaction here, we'll wait here. Because this strong zone is very weak now. It's very weak now. But mind you, the market is, if the market should break here, it's still a fake out to this point. So we're going to be waiting here. That's the best area to actually wait for the sell. Yes, I love the sell. I prefer to sell. I prefer to sell. Trust me, I prefer to sell. So selling is more nice than buying at this point. This is a 45, 100, 45. This 45, 100, 4500, 45, 200. 45, 200. So we are selling on US30. We are selling on US30, but we've not entered the marketplace. We've not entered the marketplace. So we have 2 points of interest, this area or this area. But this is the best area, you know. So the momentum is very low right now. Just like I said, because of the FOMC news that we have tonight, the news is going to be very, very massive. You know, it's going to be very massive. So the momentum might not really be there, but mind you, we are going to book our profit. We're going to book our profits on US30. So this is our setup for US30. So I'm expecting the market to push to the upside to that level. The money is in the waiting, guys. The money is in the waiting. So if we can have a push to the upside here, we're going to be having more confluences here, in the sense that we have our trend line. This is going to be 1, 2, first touch, second touch, and this area is going to be our third touch. You know, it's going to be third touch on the market. So that's 1. We have psychological level 2. We have key level. That is 3. That is 3 on its own. And we're going to be waiting for the candlestick. What candlestick is going to be turning us around here? That is 4. And then we back it up with CNBC. That is 5/6. That is 5/6. You know, 5/6 is excellent, not even past, you know. So that's what we're going to be waiting for. I'm not buying. The market is bullish, yes. But where the market is right now, I respect the sellers more than the buyers. Why? Because these areas are very, very strong. Especially this place. This place is very, very strong. But we've had fake out twice right now from this area. So the market can drop down from here or move here. So we have the 2. Can drop from here or here. So we are not doing anything now, guys, please. So if we have a drop from here, definitely we're going to be waiting for pullback, and we take it here. And we take it down here. So this is it. So, but I love this area. This is going to be a very nice entry point here if the market can push to the upside. You know, we are not controlling, we are acting based on what we are seeing on the market. So we are going to be waiting. Presently, CNBC, it's not yet time to refresh. It's not yet time. So we are waiting for CNBC. Nice. Should push it to the upside. Somebody might ask that, okay, when we know that the market is going to get here, why can't we just take a buy? Yes, we know that the market is going to get here. We cannot take a buy because we are fine. We are bullish. Overall, we are bullish. But if we are taking a buy from here, our stop loss is going to be very huge. You know, it's going to be very huge. So we still book like about 200, about 150, 170 pips we buy. But I prefer to sell. I prefer to sell than to buy. 1 hour is very bullish, very, very bullish. Strong one as that. So I prefer the market should come here and give me some reaction around here. Because if we are buying from here, what are the confluences? We have key level, we have psychological level too, just two. So we cannot just say we want to buy the market just based on two confluences. Meanwhile, we have two here, two confluences here, we have 5 here. We might buy and we can make profit. Yes, we can make profit, but are we really doing the right thing? No. Based on trend, yes, we are following the trend, but we are not doing the right thing because we have 6 confluences we are following, and here we have only 2. Here we have like 5. So it's better to go with the one we have higher confluences than the one we have lower confluences. So I'm going to be waiting for the market to push to this area, and we wait for the reaction and we take it down. We're going to be booking like how many pips? Like how many pips? This is about 360 something pips. At worst, we're going to have like about 250 pips at worst. So we're going to have about 250 pips, which is a very nice thing. So that's what I'm saying on the chat. So if you've got any question, yeah, let me go to the chat now. If you've got any question, ask now, ask now, ask now. If you've got any question, please feel free to drop it. Let's have it. Please, am I audible enough, everybody? Am I audible enough? I want to see. Please, let's type in the comment section. I want to know if I'm audible enough. Please, let's have it in the comment section. Am I audible enough? So we are waiting, we are waiting, we are waiting. I hope my mic is cool. Yeah, we are waiting for push up to this area, and that's going to be our entry. That's going to be our entry. Let's check what GJ is doing. Okay, GJ actually pushed up and melt again. So we're going to be waiting. Let's see what gold is doing. Okay, gold is reacting to this level. Gold is reacting to that level. Okay, so we are waiting for our US30, which is our major pair. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. Okay, I was trying to adjust my mic before. Thank you all. Thank you all. All right, perfect. So we can see what is happening. We are selling, please. It's not advisable to buy, please, please, because I know some of you might be like, you want to buy, it's not advisable, but if you feel like it's cool for you, it's cool. If you feel like you want to buy, it's okay. But the sellers have more chance than the buyers on this trade. On this trade, the sellers have more chance than the buyers. The sellers have more chance than the buyer. Oh, I'm on 15 minutes. Why? I'm sorry. I thought I was on 5 minutes. We trade. We take our entry on 5 minutes for US30. But gold and this GJ, yeah, it's 15 minutes. That's the perfect. And nobody could tell me I'm on 15 minutes. I have some of my mentees here. Please, let's pay attention. Let's pay attention. So I'm seeing some nice rejection from where the market is now. Yeah. So the sellers want to try to, but we are going to be waiting for it to come down here. We can't jump in like that and push up small, just like I said before. And we take it down. And we take it down. So please, yes, we have let's see what CNBC is saying now. Where's CNBC? Let me refresh my CNBC now. Although I'm expecting CNBC to just be neutral, I'm refreshing. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, so we are just CNBC is very neutral now, very, very neutral. Very, very neutral. Between the buyers and the seller, it's neutral. Yeah, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. So we wait for it to drop down a bit, to drop there, and we take our sell. Yes, perfect. We are not in yet, please. We are not in yet. We are not in yet. We are not in yet. This is our major pair, US30. Let's wait for what this candle is gonna do. Let's wait. If we have a push down here, perfect, then we take our entry. I'll put it here. Just imagine if you were buying, what will be happening now? You'll be in red. So that's why it's always good to be patient with the market. Don't rush yourself. Just take it easy. You know our motto, right? Which is keep it very simple. We keep it very, very simple. Yeah. We don't rush. We keep it simple. Take it easy. Don't rush it. Don't rush the process. You know. Mm. GJ is gonna give us a nice money, a cool profit today as well. Again, from what I'm seeing on this GJ, I just wanted to push up because this area is failing to break below. I just wanted to push up. Remember what I said, everybody, please. I want you to push up. Once we have a push to the upside, this is gonna be like change of character. We have a drop down a bit and we take it. It's gonna be our entry here and we take it up. Our stop loss is gonna be below. Just what I put here, guys. Take note for GJ. Yeah. So that's gonna happen for GJ. For GBP, JPY. So that's it. For US30, keep it simple and calm. No rushing. No rushing. So imagine if we jump into sell again. Look at what the candle is doing there. It's just playing on everybody's intelligence. So we have to keep it simple and wait. So you have to wait. But sellers are in, not buyers. We are not buying, we are gonna be selling. That's the fact. We are gonna be selling. We're not gonna buy. We are not going to buy. We are going to be selling. So please, if you've got questions, feel free. Let's have it. I'm in the comment section right now. So anybody with any question, let's have it, please. We are waiting for a trade. We are waiting for a trade setup. How many profits or how many pips are we gonna book? Okay, this is about 200 pips. Okay, that's nice. And if we should take it from here, that would be about 250 pips. So I know the momentum is gonna be very low today. Why? Because we have FOMC news tonight. So the market is gonna be massive around that time. So you guys should please pay attention to all the setup. I'm gonna carry you guys along on the group. So pay attention to all the setup, please. on US30. During FOMC can decide to do anything. I don't trade news. It can do anything. It can decide to push it to the upside, which is the bullish can continue, and it can decide to drop it massively. So I don't trade news. So, but for now, what we are seeing on this chart, we are going for sell. We are going for sell. The money is in the waiting, so we are waiting. I'm gonna leave this live on for the next 15 minutes. If we don't get a good setup in the next 15 minutes, we're gonna call it a day, and everybody will keep an eye on it. Why I carry you guys along on the group, but I can't be giving US30 signal for free because I have some VIP members that subscribe to VIP, and I'm feeding them with US30. So that's why I'm not giving much update on US30, but gold and GJ, for now, I'm giving it out for free, everything for free. You guys can see the way I was guiding you all this morning on the Telegram group for GJ. That's exactly what I do on my Signal channel, on my VIP channel. So that's it. CNBC is telling me that the bullish want to come in. CNBC is telling me that the bullish wants to come in. Yeah, which I'm expecting that anyway. I love that. I love what I'm seeing. Let me check the chart. Oh, I'm waiting for sell. Now sell we dey go for. Yeah. Now sell we dey go for. The momentum is so slow. I don't like trading slow chart like this. I just want it sharp. The market should just move one time, drop like this. Once we have a drop like this, the market should just drop like that, and we're gonna be having it like this. We just a drop, a pushback, little, and that will be something like this. And the stop loss is just gonna be above there. It's just gonna be above this area. So it's gonna be 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. It's gonna be 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. But we are not in yet, please. We are not in yet. We are not in yet, please. So we are still waiting for the drama that want to happen around that place. So we are still waiting for the drama that wants to happen around that area. We're waiting for the drama that wants to happen around that area. So look at this thing I draw, please. Look at this thing I draw here. The market should drop. After dropping, I need a bearish candle, a bearish momentum to drop and give me a little pushback, a little pullback, and we take our entry. We take our entry. Can you guys get that alert? Yeah. So I'm getting an alert on GJ. So right now we're gonna check what GJ is doing. You can see now on GJ. Based on my alert on GJ, the market broke down. Now that the market broke down, we have a new break of structure here. We have a new break of structure here now. We have a new break of structure here. We have a new BOS now. So these are our next level. The market should come here. Just imagine now, for those that love pending order, if you set pending order now and your pending order got activated here, what do you think will happen here? Your stop loss will just hit that. That's why I don't like pending order. I don't like it. So this is the next place I'm waiting. So we have another BOS here. So that's how you just continue to label it. We have another BOS there now. That's it. We have another BOS here. So We wait for it here and we label it again, and that's it. Back to US30. The market is very slow. The market is way too slow for me. We are not in yet, though. We are not in yet. We are still waiting for this to break down, here, and wait for a little pullback, and that will be our entry. I will take it down. We are not in yet, please. We are not in yet, but we are waiting to sell US30. Yeah. We're gonna be selling it, but yet now we are not in. Okay, nice, nice, nice. So guys, we're gonna be taking our sell on US30. Wait for the just wait. Now we have the candle, which I love it. Just wait. Wait for the next candle. The next candle is gonna be our entry candle. The next candle is gonna be our entry candle. This candle just opened now. So the next candle is gonna be our entry candle for the sell. Yeah. Don't jump in yet. Just chill. Relax, chill, and relax. Relax and take cool water. That candle can decide to melt, but mind you, it's a sell. It's gonna drop. That's it. It's going to drop. It's going to drop. It's going to drop. Drop, drop, drop. That's what's gonna happen. So we wait for the next 3 minutes for the next candle, and that will be it. I'm waiting for the next candle, please. In the next 2 minutes. I think I need to take a screenshot. Eh, Guys, let's take our entry for sale. I already called trade for those that will say they did not hear. I mean, nice profits. So once the market hits our TP level, this is going to be our TP level. That's going to be our TP level, guys. Drop, drop, so that we can end this meeting. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. Everybody is in profit. That's a good one. Nice, nice, nice. It's gonna come to our take profit level. Don't even disturb yourself. This new candle should go up a bit, melt down, and take us to our take profit, and we call it a day. That's it. That will be all. This is how we do it, guys. We keep it very simple. You can see how we're waiting, we analyze it, and we break it down. It's very easy and simple. It's very easy and simple. You know, once you read the chart, you need to just follow it in a simple way. And trust me, it's not difficult at all. It's not difficult. It's not difficult at all. We are in nice, very, very nice profit, guys. Very nice profit. Guys, type in the comment section if you're on this trade and you are in profit. I want to see it. I want to see it in the comment section. Presently, we are in what is it? About 90 pips now. 90 pips right now. 90 pips profit right now. 90 pips profit right now. It's very simple. Nothing, not difficult, you know. CNBC is very bearish now. It's bearish. Please don't overtrade though, guys. Don't say okay, you want to add more or something, I beg. Please. Market is gonna come to our take profit. So guys, I'm gonna call it a day from here. So just break even and manage your trade. This is where I'm gonna be ending it for today. So hold your trade to take profit level and break even. Till I come your way again, this is omojesuYK. Click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. All right, now peace out. So see you again next week. I'm gonna be dropping the updates on the group. Bye for now, everyone.